In our review of the ROG Strix SCAR II, we noted rather varying temperatures recorded when gaming. While we still managed to enjoy gaming on it, as enthusiasts we really aren't happy with the temperatures. So we are going to change the thermal paste on our unit right here. To compare the difference in thermals before and after the repaste, we will run the ROG rear bench stress test for 10 minutes. As you can see, we managed to record a small 4-degree change, but the main takeaway here is that there is no longer any thermal throttling. To help with your repasting efforts, here is a video of us disassembling the ROG Strix SCAR II and repasting it. The thermal paste we'll be using today is the Master Gel Maker by Cooler Master. This thermal paste is Cooler Master's top of the line thermal paste, and we only wanted the best for this test. Thanks for watching our video. For more informative videos like this, do subscribe to us and like our Facebook page. See you next time!